Okay, so when installing the ARC rod, I am actually installing the 4.451. When I'm installing a 4.451 rod into the Lifan 420, the only thing I had to do so far, I haven't tried the cam yet, but I had to clearance the block right here. You can see, just to clear the top bolt on the rod. But besides that, it's coming up pretty nice and high now. Still not at zero deck, but I was at 70 thousandths before, 77th I believe, and I got the 40 thousandths longer rod, so it's a lot closer. I believe it's at 47 thousandths in the hole now. But yeah, we're going good. And so far, that's all I've had to do for the crank and the rod. Everything went right in except for that little nick, and I did have to take a little bit off the crank in the garage with the polishing wheel on the grinder, but I used the polishing wheel. But now it's in there. She's moving around pretty nice and smooth. So yeah.